Hello everyone, this is JJ Reviews. In today's video, it will be on, as you can see in the video, of course, it's the i12's TWS, which is a TWS here. As you can see here, it stands for True Wireless Stereo. Obviously these are fake AirPods. I got them in white, as you can see here. I got them on eBay, they were £15.89. So obviously white, black, what's that, like a grey, space grey, green, which, red. I don't know if that's obviously a different colour, I'm guessing. You can see here, I'm not sure if you can see, you've got auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri, open the lip and connect automatically. So obviously when you open the top bit, it should connect. Let's go and open these up. Oh my. Also, I don't have, let's move that away. Also, I don't have like real AirPods, like the official ones, because obviously I have an Android phone. Oh, but yeah, it's quite hard to get out. I don't know much about these TWS, and I have been watching, I have looked at videos online on YouTube about these, and they say the i12s are good to go for with their sound quality. So obviously here you are, and you open the box like that. They look just like AirPods when I've seen my friends at work with them. There's a bit that you take that off. God, they do it in a way where you can't peel it. Sorry for this. Oh, here we are. I'll just do it this way. Make a mess up of it. I'm doing. So you see here. So here they are. Open them up. Oh. So yeah, how they open. I keep catching actual headphones. And you can see you got the button there. When you push it for charging the case. USB lightning cable. How it opens, I've seen it with my friends. That nice snap back magnetic here. So I'll put that to one side for the moment. See what else we've got in the box. So take that off. You've got your little lightning cable. As you can see here, that connects up your instructions, but all in different ones. Where's the actual English? Oh, here we are. Is this the English one? Turn on the charging box switch, brackets blue or red light is on. Take out the earphones, blah blah blah. Right, so let's move this all out of the way. Put that there. So here are the actual AirPods. Well, not the AirPods, but here they are themselves. Let's see, let's take them out, have a little look. They look, well, they look like a, whoops, they look just like the AirPods. Obviously, I think when hearing about them, let's just try it on. Yeah, it fits rather well. Yeah, I have to admit, for this size at the moment, for this size for me, oh, So I don't know what I did. I call it. I think that means it's trying to find or pair. So that when they flash, I don't know what I did there. Would help if I actually had the instructions. So I'll go into on my phone. Just put these a bit here. Obviously I'm using my Samsung Note 8. So we'll go to Bluetooth, turn them on, or turn it on. I think they're both supposed to be pairing. Oh, i12s, here we are. Pairing. i12, so here you are, it says connected, I don't know if you can see that. As you can see there, it's fandom, it says connected for calls and audio. Yes, they work on Android. And as you can see here, it tells you they've got 100% battery. Oh, bloody ended it. Let me reconnect again. So as you can see here, 100% battery remaining. So I think they are connected to both of them. I'm not too sure. So I'll quickly put one here up. Right, I've only got one earbud working. I don't know how it is you find that for the other one. But yeah, it's connected and everything. Well, I'm making a bit of a mess up here. What's the one that don't connect? God, I'm messing up here. Let's just quickly check the instructions, because obviously there is a bit of trouble trying to do it, to set up. The right one works. The left one, how does it work with connection wise? Pair with other device. Open the phone or other device. Search for the Bluetooth mode. Click to connect Bluetooth. Headset is placed in the charging box to enter the charging mode, and then headset is automatically turned off. So what? Let me just read you some bits quickly on here. Charging time for these i12s is 70 minutes. Headphone music playback is about 2 to 3 hours. Talk time is about 4 hours, and standby time is about 6 hours. So it's not too bad. The charging battery capacity is 300 AH, and the headphone battery capacity is a 35 milliamp battery. So it's not too bad. The charging box, so this takes an hour. Charging box has a capacity of 300 milliamps, and the charging red light flashes constantly. Charging box can charge your earphones about 4 times. So that's good. So I have to admit, so all I've got to work out, so if I put these back into the box, so when you put them back in the box, there, can you see they're charging now? So that means they're charging. So when you push a button, whoops, so it shows that one on the right charging. I think with it open, you push the button, it means they're both charging itself. So as you can see there, that blue light means. So let's try and see if I can do it again. Oh, they're both on. I think it's because... Right, let me try and see if I can reconnect again to it all. So it shows already straight away that they are both connected. So let's try and connect again. Takes a bit of time. Can't connect. Right, it shows it's on. Let's try and see if I'm actually in the air. No, that's very strange. Let's take them out. And this is to do with there's no battery in them both. So, see, look, but it shows they're both on. I chose 100%. Right, so me playing music, it's only just a tester for me. Now, I have to admit, let's turn that down a bit. Oh, what's going on here? Right, let me turn it down to on the blue. I don't know if you can hear that. Now that's on only a little bit. When I turn them up to full blast, they sound very... I have to admit, obviously when you tap it once, when you tap it once, it pauses the music. When you double tap it here, as you can see, it can launch Google or Bixby. I think when you tap it 3 times, it makes a call. Sorry, I actually worked out how it is. I'm having problems connecting with the left one, but as far as I'm concerned, I have to admit, for £15 these cost on eBay, they sound very good. I hope you guys obviously enjoy this video. Sorry for the connection was a bit bad, but I have to admit they're very good, and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.